Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quiche. A quiche is like egg custard, but it's not sweet, it's savory. So, okay, let's see what we got here. I have a pie dough. We did it here. If you can watch my other video if you want to see how we do it, or you just can purchase one in the market. They're perfectly fine. Alright, so we have the pie dough here. We have some broccoli that are already cooked, florette, like a flour. Florette is flour. 3 eggs, 200 grams of milk, 200 ml of milk, I would say, 200 grams of yogurt that we made out here. You can watch also a video about yogurt if you want to try to do that too. I have some Emmental cheese, Gruyère in French. The Emmental comes from Switzerland, alright? Cheese from Switzerland, alright? So, let's do that. Oh, by the way, I put my oven on already at 200 degrees Celsius, so it's hot. Alright, so I take some florette and I put them in the crust, like this. Okay. Alright. Broccoli quiche. That's gonna be. Alright. Like this. Yeah. I'll put them all on. Alright, now we're gonna put some cheese there. Put the cheese directly on top of the broccoli.
ใส่ชีสนะคะ
I have 150 grams of cheese. So 3 eggs, 200 grams of yogurt, homemade. 200 ml of milk. That's it. All right, now let's prepare our. So I get the eggs
ใส่
here.
ไข่ไป
I'm gonna beat the eggs a little bit. That's it. Add the milk.
แล้วก็ใส่นมลงไป
Add the yogurt.
ใส่โยเกิร์ตลงไป
Okay.
ตีให้เข้ากัน
We're gonna put some salt and pepper.
พริกไทยดำกับเกลือ
Mixed a little bit. Okay.
เป็นอาหารฝรั่งเศสนะคะ
I'm gonna put a touch of garlic powder too. Like that. And some oregano. Here.
แล้วก็ใส่ออริกาโน่ค่ะ
Alright.
แล้วก็ตีให้เข้ากัน
And I'm gonna beat that like that. So it's very simple to do. Alright. Okay, and then we're gonna pour the mixture over the quiche.
แล้วก็เอาทุกอย่างใส่รวมกันลงไปในถาดพาย แป้งพาย
Okay, I think it's really perfect. Enough, just enough. I'm going to put a little more cheese on top, make sure everything is nice.
ใส่ชีสข้างบนอีกรอบ
Yeah. We can put them all. The whole thing, 150 grams of cheese. Emmental. Emmental is Swiss cheese, but in France they call it Gruyere. This is similar. Okay. And that's it. Put it in the oven for 25 minutes.
โอเค
We check it a little bit, make sure everything's okay.
โอเค
Oh, by the way, the pie was frozen. It's good to have it frozen for a reason that
อบ25 นาที
it's
ค่ะ
going to cook the appareil before the crust. All right, so all right, the quiche is ready. Just came out of the oven. It's still hot. We can maybe cut a little piece. Okay. All right, well, it's still hot, so you have to let it cool off. All right, so quiche, broccoli quiche, all right, and smells delicious. Thank you for coming. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.